Hello everyone, I am Dr. P.V. Sudhakar, Principal Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India. And I am also the Chairman, Regional Center for Medical Education. There are different levels of understanding in the medical education system. The first level is remembering, followed by understanding, followed by applying, followed by analyzing, and after that, it is the creative nature of the individual. So, lot of reforms have taken place in the medical education, but the present system of evaluation, which is a very important integral part of medical education, aims at remembering and understanding. But what is required is application, analysis, and the creative nature. In order to reach these three higher levels, it's important that our examination system or evaluation pattern needs to be changed. So the Andhra Medical College Undergraduates Research Association, in association with GAIMS, is conducting a study by name Interpretation of Perceptions of Undergraduate Medical Students Towards the Examination Pattern. So this particular study is of value because the future of the medical students basically depend on whether they are comfortable with the present system or whether reforms are required. So with this in mind, Andhra Medical College, which is about 100 years old medical college of prestige in India, has come forward to do this study by its undergraduate students. So I thank every participant in this particular study and also the organization for coming forward to support this particular study. Thank you very much.
Hi, myself Shubham Anand, and I am the National President of Global Association of Indian Medical Students. We are an international association that aims to connect Indian medical students globally. So Aura and GAIMS is conducting this joint research to know about the students' perspective of their preparation regarding next. So as we all know that the whole MBBS curriculum is, the evaluation is based on essay-based writing, but next will be more a sort of computer-based MCQ exam. So we want the students to be sensitized to this pattern from the first year itself so that they could easily shift to the next exams and they do not waste another year for preparing for it. So what are the advantages of MCQ-based exams? So they are like easy to check, they are reliable, they are unbiased, and they are rapidly marked, and it results in standardization of tests, and it's also uniform and objective evaluation. So we want to know about this survey is regarding taking your inputs in mind, and we expect you to give your honest, valuable input so that we could present it to the officials. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. Lokesh Idara. Bloom's taxonomy level 1 is about remembering and level 2 is understanding. Our MBBS essay question short note answers are about Bloom's taxonomy level 1 and 2, whereas Bloom's taxonomy level 3 is analyzing, level 4 is application of your knowledge. Our next examination is about Bloom's taxonomy level 3 and 4. We did initial surveys. Majority of the students like Bloom's taxonomy level 3 and 4 questions, and they actually want these questions to be implemented from as early as first year, like Rishikesh aims. Please, we like to conduct this survey across the nation and collect the data and present to NMC board. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am V.V. Avinash Kumar from final year MBBS Andhra Medical College and State General Secretary for GAIMS Andhra Pradesh. This study will be conducted from 1st to 20th of November 2020, and a study form or a questionnaire will be sent to each and every college and for each and every batch through social media, and it also contains questions regarding the consent and your opinion regarding MCQs, and these responses will then be assessed and data will be interpreted accordingly, and a recommendation will be made to the NMC board. Thank you.
So we request you to kindly fill in the form for the betterment of our undergraduate curriculum.
So we request you all to kindly fill up this form for the betterment of our UG curriculum.